Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to talk about layers. So what is layers and why we use layers? So layers is a way that engineers using to divide their project. So uh, if you, uh, if you are electrical engineer, for example, you are dividing your project in lighting layout, power layout, and HVAC layout, for example. So if you want to create new layers, now going to write layers, then click enter. So as you see, this is the way how to create a layers. This is a layers that I created before. So if you want to create new layers, go into the last in the left this icon, then click. As you see here, layer 1 is a new layer now I created. Now if I want to activate this layers, I'm going to the last icon in the right. So now I click. As you see, layer 1 now is activated. So if I want to changing this name, I do right click, then I'm going to the rename. So so writing DWA1, for example, then click enter. So now anything I drawing here in this board is drawing in the DW1. So if I want to changing this color, then I double click here. So here you change the color. Now I need to work by the white color. So if you want to changing the line type, then you click here and you should choose the type of line that you need. So then click OK. Now I'm going to draw, for example, as you see GWA1. So now I'm going to draw, then do offset, for example, distance 0.5. Then now as you see, then click enter. This drawing is drawn in the layer DWA1. So if I want to uh, to draw dimension, then I draw the dimension in the other layers. For example, then I am going to write layer, enter, then create new layer. Okay. Yes, for example, GWA2, for example, then click enter, then activate this by clicking here. Now I change the color. For example, I choose green color for this layer, then click OK. Now I'm going to draw dimension. So as you see, now the dimension is drawn by green. So this is the way how to draw to create layers. Now as you see, the main drawing is drawn in the layer 1 DW1, and the dimension is drawing in the DW2 by the green color. Thank you so much. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube.